Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to assemble the new slider crank mechanism. So I don't know the name of the exact part, like I have seen randomly on my YouTube shorts. So then I realized so that we can create this part by our own dimension. So let us name it as a new slider crank mechanism. Okay. So first of all, let me tell you how to download this part from our channel, like from the drive link. Okay, so if you are new to our channel, you can watch this 3 minutes, or else like if you know how to download it, you can skip this. Okay, so for download and accessing this part, not only this particular assembly part, you can you can have access for all those drive links in whichever created in our channel. Okay, so once get back into our channel homepage, or else like you can check in this video description itself. I will provide a 3D model link which you can see here. Okay, so once you can click that link also, but this video will be uploaded by tomorrow. Okay, so I can't able to access that link. So here you can find the 3D model link. So why am I showing this video is this video is only for our members, like for our channel members. So you can join by 29 rupees, so you can access all the parts by joining as a member. Okay, so once you click this 3D model link, so this link will be available on this video description also. So once you click that, so this is our Google form. So here you have to enter the password. So the password will be at the end of this particular bicycle video. Okay, so at the last 5 seconds you can access the password, or else you like after purchasing membership, if you have any issues on accessing like these passwords, you can I can share my WhatsApp group link, so you can join here and you can like access or ask any questions to me. Okay, so once you enter your password here, so you will have a drive link, so you can access all the parts by using this drive link. Okay, so everything is there, you can explore it by your own. So here we have this new slider crank mechanism. So I request you guys to download as a single zip file by here itself, not only this, like for all these parts download as a total zip file, because if you get into this and you will see 5 to 6 parts, if you download it individually means so it may get some glitch, so avoid that. Okay, so we have downloaded, so I think this is, we can close this tab. So now let's get into Creo. Open. So let's create let's import from our downloads. So you can unzip this, or else you can directly use the zip file also. Okay, so here we have the final assembly. Okay, so this is our assembly. So in this assembly you can see I have attached a motor also. Okay, so like in this video we are going to assemble this. So you will ask about these 4 parts, dimensions, everything. So I will upload a tutorial video on each and every part like from tomorrow. Okay, so this is assembly video, and then separate part 1, part 2, part 3 will be released after that. Okay, so let's create this assembly in this video. Okay, so let me close this. Let's click on new and let it be assembly, and the name as it is, that's fine, because I'm not going to save this part. So MMNS ASM design ABS. So the first thing that we are going to assemble is our base part, but I'm just going to assemble the part which we have downloaded. Okay, so from that itself, so base part, so this is going to be our base part. Anyway, it will be default position, you can use fixed position also. So done. So the next part here we are going to assemble is the swinging rod. Okay, so for the swinging rod we can use the pin mechanism. Let's select this axis and let's check this, like we have to create it on the opposite direction. Okay, I think axis alignment. Okay, let me remove that and let's select the axis. Okay, so once it is done, let's go for the face coincident. So for the translation, select this back face, select this front face. So now you can see it is fully attached. Okay, so good. And here we have only one motion, so that's right. Okay, so that's fine. And the next part we are going to assemble is cube mover. Okay, so this is going to be a cylinder because it will move around like this. Okay, so axis and this axis, And here the one thing that we have to notice is the circular extrude part. One side we have this extrude, so this extrudes, like it should face on the opposite side. Okay, so like this direction towards backside. Okay, so once it is done, let's click on OK. So now the next thing, the final part that we are going to assemble is our handle part. So in the handle, I'm just going to use the pin mechanism. Let's select this main axis and let's select this main axis. Okay, so let me drag whether we have a good. Okay, so this is our placement. Okay, so that's right. And for the translation, we can use this face with this face, and yeah, let's click on OK. So I'm not sure whether this dimension is correct. Okay, let me check it. From this face to this face, it will be 0. So from this line to this line, it will be 17. Okay. Okay, so this will be 17 and this will be 15. Okay, good. So 17 and let me check. From here till here. Okay, 15. Fine. And then from here till here. Okay, that's fine. We have more dimensions. Okay, so in this handle part itself, I'm just going to create one more constraint, and that is going to be a cylinder constraint for making an alignment with this axis, and here we have a hole, right? So this axis. So that's all. Part is placed, and let us check whether it has got fully constrained. Okay, it looks really good. So everything is done, guys, so we can directly go for the servo motors. Okay, yep. So for the servos, let's go for application mechanism and servo motors. So here we are going to attach a motor on this particular joint where we will assemble this handle. Okay, so here we are going to use our hand and we are going to rotate, right? So in this position we can add our motor, angular velocity, and our rotational, let's keep it as 30 degrees per second. We'll use the same value. Okay, so here let us hide all these things, and once let's check the direction of the motor. That's fine. Okay, so let's increase the end time to 500. Okay, so then 10. Yes. Oh my god, it's too speed, right? Either you can reduce the speed by increasing the frame rate, but that's fine. I'm just going to reduce the rotational coefficient as 15 degrees per second. Okay, so here we have 500. Okay, so that's all, guys. Finally we did it, and all these 4 parts, right? Base part, swinging rod, cube mover, and handle. So all the parts, dimension, and making video, everything will be released by tomorrow and day after tomorrow, like line wise, like part 1, part 2, part 3. Okay, so that's all, guys. So thanks for watching, and if you want more videos related mechanical engineering or any other content, you can comment below so that I will upload more and more videos based on that. Okay, so thank you, guys. We'll see you next video with a very interesting content. Until then, bye.